we are going to construct triangles. Here we go. First, we need to review our triangle names. If we can classify triangles in two different ways, by its angles and by its sides. If you have all acute angles, you have an acute triangle. If you have one obtuse angle, you have an obtuse triangle. If you have one right angle, it's a right triangle. And if you have three congruent angles, it is equiangular triangle, which is also acute because if it's equiangular, all the angles equal 60 degrees, which are acute, because they're less than 90. All right, classifying triangles by its sides. Congruent sides have the same length. Congruent means equal, if you remember. So if it has no congruent sides, it is a scalene triangle. If it has two congruent sides, it is isosceles. And if it has three congruent sides, it is an equilateral triangle. Oh, one more thing. These red tick marks mean that those sides are equal. So on this one, those two sides are equal. On this one, all three are equal. Just like with the arcs, those three angles on that triangle are equal. All right, so we can classify these. We need to classify in two ways, by their angles and by their sides. This one has one obtuse angle, so it is an obtuse triangle, and it has no congruent sides, so it is scalene. So it is an obtuse scalene triangle. You have to have both, by the sides and by the angles. This one has all acute angles, which makes it an acute triangle, and it has two congruent sides. If you see these right there, that means it has two congruent sides, and so it is an acute isosceles triangle.